TeleRay Remote Modality Controller. The ability to remotely control modalities with video, keyboard, and mouse as if you were sitting at the console is becoming a critical need in many use cases. From service issues, troubleshooting, running radiology protocols, rural health initiatives, training, and general consult from a qualified technologist or physician from any remote location. TeleRay Remote is as easy as 1. Plug in video source and USB. 2. Remotely log in to TeleRay. And 3. Take control of the modality. What is the actual cost to send out a service technician? Or the cost of missing a scan due to lack of a qualified technologist? Cost of on-site training? You can now eliminate many of these use cases with complete remote control of a system, including password login. Have your own remote control dashboard to run and control multiple systems for multiple reasons. Call today for an online demo and quote. www.teleray.com. info@teleray.com. 844-4-TeleRay. It's what professionals use.